Right here we have our control valve springs. We were going to start off with our solenoid regulator valve. This is supposed to measure out at approximate free length of 6.5 millimeters. So we're going to run this dial down here to just when it touches. You can see right here we have 6.5 millimeters. We'll move on to our next spring, which is our accumulator relay spring. This has a measurement of 43.6 millimeters. So we'll put this down until it barely touches again.
Hey, you got a color marker.
And right here you can read we're at 43 millimeters. This spring is good.
I already had it right. I'm just joking.
Next, we have our overdrive spring.
No.
This spring is supposed to be 26.6 millimeters, so we'll run this down.
See one back plate. Perfect. There we are. Okay, those are specs.
I mean, you can see right here we're just shy over 24. The spring is not within spec. Next, we're moving over to our lock-up valve. The spring is a measurement 42.1 millimeters, so we'll back this off. Measure this one. Right to down where it touches. We're about 44 3/4. This spring is good. Next, we're going on to our lube regulator spring. This is 46.3. This is our lube regulator. We're gonna measure this down to the touches. Right here, we're at 46 millimeters. This spring is good. Next, we're doing our main regulator, 98.5 millimeters. So we're gonna run this all the way up, and we're gonna to just when it touches. What is that? And right here, we're at 98. So the spring is good. Next, we're moving on to our control main. This has a spec of 44.6 millimeters. This has a spec of 44.6. This now touches at about 42.5 millimeters. This spring is bad. Next, we're moving on to our C2 latch spring, 41.3. This spring is at 38 millimeters. This spring is bad. Next, we're moving on to our exhaust back. Here's our 160. Our 29. This touches at about 28.5. This spring we consider to be good. Next, we're going on to our C1 latch, which is 46.2. The spring doesn't touch till about 44.5. The spring is bad. Next, we have our converter regulator, which is 30.3. And this spring is supposed to be measured out at 30.3. We're just shy of 30. We're about 29. This spring would be considered bad.